I'm here for the campus tour.
Awesome, the tour starts very soon.
Nice.
I heard the science labs are amazing.
Oh. Yes, they are top quality.
Wow.
Welcome to FluentBit English. In this video, you are joining a university tour with international students. You will hear natural, real-life American English used on campus, just like students speak every day in the United States. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Don't worry about mistakes. Just speak out loud and practice with confidence. You will learn useful phrases for walking around campus, meeting new friends, asking questions, and understanding student life. This is your chance to improve your speaking skills in a fun and natural way. Ready? Let's begin the university tour. Listen, repeat, and enjoy.
Hi, is this the university tour group?
Yeah, you're in the right place.
Great, thanks.
I'm here for the campus tour.
Awesome, the tour starts very soon.
Nice.
Hi, is this the university tour group?
Yeah, this is it. You're in the right place. Welcome.
Oh, good.
I'm here for the campus tour. Great. Just sign your name here, please. Okay. Where should we meet for the tour?
We're meeting right here, in the plaza.
Right here.
What time does the school tour start? It starts in about 5 minutes.
Oh, soon. Is this your first time here too?
Yeah, I just got here today.
Same. I'm really excited to see the university.
You're going to love it here.
Nice. Can I get a map of the university?
Of course, here you go.
Thanks. Who's our tour guide today?
That's me. I'll be your guide today.
Okay. How long is the tour?
It lasts about 1 hour.
Okay.
Are we going to see the classrooms?
Yes, we will go inside soon.
Nice.
The classrooms are bigger than I expected.
Yes, many classes are very spacious.
Wow.
What subjects are popular here?
Business, engineering, and computer science are very popular.
I see.
I want to visit the library. We will go there next.
Great.
I heard the science labs are amazing.
Oh. Yes, they are top quality.
Wow.
Hey, where's the cafeteria? It's right behind that building. Oh, there. Are there any sports clubs at this university?
Yes, many sports and clubs are available.
Nice. Is the dormitory close to the main building?
Yes, it's only a short walk away.
Good.
This university feels very friendly.
Yes, students are very welcoming here.
I see.
The campus looks really beautiful.
It's even prettier at sunset.
Wow, amazing.
Thank you for showing us around.
You're very welcome.
Thanks.
Now, it's time to practice speaking. Repeat after me. Listen carefully, then say each sentence out loud. Speak naturally, like a real American student. Hi, is this the university tour group? Hi, is this the university tour group? I'm here for the campus tour. I'm here for the campus tour. Where should we meet for the tour? Where should we meet for the tour? What time does the school tour start? What time does the school tour start? I'm excited to see the university. I'm excited to see the university. The campus looks really beautiful. The campus looks really beautiful. Can I get a map of the university? Can I get a map of the university? Who is our tour guide today? Who is our tour guide today?
How long is the tour? How long is the tour? Are we going to see the classrooms? Are we going to see the classrooms? I want to visit the library. I want to visit the library. This university feels very friendly. This university feels very friendly. Where is the cafeteria? Where is the cafeteria? I heard the science labs are amazing. I heard the science labs are amazing. Are there any sports clubs at this university? Are there any sports clubs at this university? What subjects are popular here? What subjects are popular here? This university has a great atmosphere. Showing us around. Thank you for showing. Great job! You finished this FluentBit English lesson. If you want to improve faster, watch this video again a few times and practice speaking out loud. Repetition is the key to speaking English naturally and confidently. Keep going. You are getting better every time you practice. Don't forget to follow FluentBit English for more real-life English speaking practice. See you in the next lesson.
And that's the end of the tour. Thank you so much.
We had a great time.
You're welcome. Bye.